So in my computer keyboard, I first turn on the number lock. Now you can see an Alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this Alt key. Don't remove your finger from this Alt key. And at the same time, you must type here 128291. After typing 128291, you can release your finger from this Alt key. Okay, you can see that this symbol have been arrived in our computer. That is, if you use this keyboard shortcut Alt 128291, then input symbol for symbol. So you can create this symbol in your Windows computer by using this keyboard shortcut method. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, you can subscribe in the Online. Thank you.